Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a full day vegetarian meal plan, which is also a thyroid friendly weight loss diet plan. I have customized this diet plan to suit Indian taste, focusing on good gut health using traditional Indian food wisdom. I'm using easily available inexpensive ingredients. It's 100% refined, sugar free, dairy free, and gluten free meal plan, meaning there are no wheat or maida or milk products in this diet plan. The meals are divided into 3 main meals and 2 small meals, and hence you will not feel hungry throughout the day. The natural healthy fats in the meals will help to keep you feel satiated between meals. No refined oils are used other than the healthy fats. I hope you take this meal plan as a challenge to wean off from refined sugar, refined oil, and from processed foods. So let's get started with the diet plan. Start your day with warm, structured water. Structured water is water stored overnight in a copper vessel. Along with this, have overnight soaked almonds. It's important that the almonds are soaked and peeled to help release the phytic acid content, as it will help in good digestion and better nutrient absorption. After this meal, go for a 30-minute walk, cycling or yoga or any physical activity of your choice. Breakfast is steamed bananas. The sides of the bananas are trimmed off and sliced into half, and make some gashes on the banana and steam cook until done. Once the bananas are steamed, serve the bananas with grated coconut and overnight soaked pumpkin seeds. Remember to keep yourself hydrated by drinking water, preferably structured water, all through the day. Lunch is fermented rice kanji, which is a traditional method of preparing gut-friendly fermented meal. Maintaining a healthy gut ecosystem is highly important for a sustainable healthy weight loss. Fermented rice kanji is easy to make at home, and no cooking is needed other than some leftover rice and water. But you need to make some preparations the night before. Leftover rice, which is cooked in a clay pan, is the main ingredient. Add in some water, preferably structured water, and with your hand mix the rice and water. Do not add any salt. Slice in a handful of shallots, also known as small onions. I like to use shallots in my recipes as they are a good source of iron and folate. And then cover with the lid. Make sure you're not using a tight lid. We need the wild airborne yeast for the natural fermentation process. So loosely cover it, and that is also the reason why I'm using a clay pot to make the fermented rice kanji. Allow it to rest overnight or until lunch, which is what I am doing today. Along with this, soak a cup of green moong dal in water. Squeeze in half a lemon and add the lemon rind into the water and soak it overnight. This will help with easy digestion. If you have noticed having gas, bloating or digestive issues when consuming dal, soaking it overnight with some lemon juice along with the rind will help with the digestive issues. The next day morning, rinse the dal thoroughly and add it to the pressure cooker. Add in some water. The water should be just above the green moong dal. Cover and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. Into the chutney grinder, add in 1 green chilli, 3 to 4 shallots, a couple of garlic cloves, half cup grated coconut, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Coarsely grind and keep it aside. For tadka, heat a kadai with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 whole red chilies which I'm breaking into half and adding in, curry leaves. I'm also breaking the curry leaves into small and adding in so that the flavors are released. 4 to 5 shallots sliced and saute them. Once the shallots are golden, transfer the cooked moong dal into the kadai. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Stir well. Add in the coarsely ground coconut and mix well. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame and the moong dal sabji is ready to serve. Let's check on the fermented rice kanji, and you can see that it is perfectly fermented. Do not heat this as it is filled with beneficial gut-friendly bacteria, much needed to maintain a good gut ecosystem. Serve the fermented rice kanji along with water. Remember that portion control is the key for a sustainable weight loss. Add the moong dal sabji, homemade raw mango pickle. You can add in little salt as per taste, and my super healthy gut-friendly lunch is ready to serve. As an evening snack, have any seasonal fruit of your choice. Other options are papaya or pineapple. If you don't prefer fruits, you can have a handful of nuts of your choice. 15 minutes before dinner, have a glass of apple cider vinegar. To make the drink, add a splash of apple cider vinegar into a glass and fill it with water. I have already shared the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Please do check it out to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. An early dinner by around 6:37 p.m. will give a good overnight fast of 12 hours. And the best part is you will be sleeping most of the fasting time. Early dinner will give you 12 hours of fasting without much effort. Dinner is a vegetable salad with vegetables like onions, carrots, capsicum, beans, cucumber. You can use any vegetable of your choice which is in season. Heat a wok with 1 tablespoon wood-pressed sesame oil, also known as gingerly oil. Give the wok a swirl so that the oil is coated all over the wok. Once the oil is heated, add in the vegetables, add in some pink Himalayan salt as needed, freshly ground black pepper powder as needed, and give it all a stir and cover and steam cook for 2 minutes. You may need to do this process a couple of times. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir well. Cover and steam cook again for 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid and stir well, cover and steam cook on high flame for another 2 minutes. This way the vegetables are steam cooked and retain their crispiness. Once they are done, turn off the flame, add in a splash of apple cider vinegar and juice of half a lemon. Stir it really well and transfer to a plate. And my super healthy toast vegetable salad is ready to serve. The best thing about having an early dinner is that you get a good 12 plus hours of overnight fasting. Always keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Remember that sitting is the new smoking, so try to move your body throughout the day. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.